Howdy, everyone. This is Locky. Won't you read a book with me? Today's book is called Rooster is Off to See the World by Carle. Rooster is off to see the world. One morning, a rooster set out to see the world. He had not gone far when he began to feel lonely. Then the rooster met two cats. "Come with me to see the world," said the rooster. "We would love to," said the cats. So they set off down the road. Then the rooster and the cats met three frogs. "Would you like to see the world?" asked the rooster. "Why not?" said the frogs. "We are not busy now." So the frogs followed the rooster and the cats. Then the rooster, the cats, and the frogs met four turtles. "Would you like to see the world?" asked the rooster. "It might be fun," snapped one of the turtles. So they all set off to see the world. Then the rooster, the cats, the frogs, and the turtles saw five fish. The fish asked where they were going. "We're off to see the world," said the rooster. The fish wanted to join them, so they all set off to see the world. Soon it got dark. "Where is our dinner?" asked the cats. "Where do we sleep?" asked the frogs. "We are cold," said the turtles. Fireflies flew up above. "We are scared," said the fish. The rooster did not know what to say. The fish wanted to go home, so they swam away. The turtles began to think about their warm house. They turned and crawled back down the road. The frogs wanted to go home too. "Have a good evening," they said, as they jumped away one by one. The cats went home too. "Have a good trip," they said. Then the rooster was all alone. He had not seen the world. The rooster looked at the moon and said, "I miss my home." The moon did not answer. It too went away. The rooster turned and went home. He ate his grain and happily sat on his perch. Then he went to sleep. The rooster had a wonderful dream about a trip around the world. That was a pretty good book. What did you think of it? Were you counting the animals as they came? One, then two, then three, then four, then five? It was a little sad that the rooster got left alone, but he ended up having a wonderful dream. Thanks for reading along with me. Hopefully, you'll read along with me again.